Hi, my name's Teresa. Today I'm going to teach you some very powerful but simple yoga and breathing techniques to help you feel calm, centered and strong. So we're going to begin with the Mountain Posture Tadasana. Now Tadasana is all about alignment, both our physical alignment in our posture and the alignment of our energy body. So we're going to begin by aligning our physical body. So start with your feet hip width apart and parallel. View a place on the floor that's not moving. This is to help your balance. Come up onto your toes, stretching your arms high up above your head, pulling your ribs out of your hips as much as you can. And then lower your heels, bring your arms and shoulders down, but don't collapse in the middle. And you'll find that you feel confident, tall, proud. If you've locked your knees, loosen them off. If your chin's forward, tuck it back. Now close your eyes. This is Tadasana, the mountain posture. Feel the energy connection down through your feet into the earth under the building. A mountain is grounded in the earth's energy, safe, secure. But there's also an energy in a mountain that spirals up, making us want to climb to the top. And this same energy spirals up through your chakras or energy centers, lifting you up to the crown of your head and the highest expression of who you are. On the top of a mountain, we see clearly in all directions. We get a new and different perspective. Now what we're going to do is we're going to undo the effects of stress and reduce and let go of the tension in our neck, our shoulders and our upper body. So closing your eyes, I want you to imagine that you're breathing into the top of your shoulders. And as you breathe out, your shoulders are gently relaxing down, allowing the head and neck to float upwards. Don't force this, just allow. Let's do that again. Now breathe from the center of your chest out across the upper back into your shoulder blades. As you breathe out, feel your shoulder blades relaxing back down the ribs. Let's do that again. We're opening the upper back, and this opens the chest. Now imagine that you're breathing up under your ribs, up under your arms. As you breathe out, feel your ribs relax, releasing that tension that wraps around our ribs and often stops us from breathing properly. Now I want you to breathe into your sternum. And imagine you're breathing into a space between the sternum and the spine, gently coaxing and opening this space deep in your chest. And this is creating a space for the heart energy, for the heart chakra to open. Just go gently, just coaxing the body to open. And now slowly work down the whole of the sternum as if you are gently opening a channel right down through the very center of your body. When you get to the area of your solar plexus, your diaphragm, you may find some tension there. Just gently breathe through that. And what we're trying to do is take the breath deep down into our belly. Now the ideal way to breathe and the way that works with your diaphragm is as you breathe in, your tummy fills with air like a balloon. And as you breathe out, you gently pull your tummy back towards your spine, releasing the air back up through that channel we opened earlier. And just find your own depth in your own rhythm, breathing as your body feels comfortable. Now with your mind, I want you to follow the breath, just watching your body breathe. And you'll notice that breathing in this way, that your thoughts have calmed down. There's more space between them. And I want you to follow the breath until it takes you into a peaceful place deep inside of you. Helps to close your eyes. And in this stillness deep inside of you, you will find that you are strong. Things are clear. You're calm. There's an intuitive wisdom available to you. So just keep your awareness on the breath, centered in that stillness within. Notice how your whole body feels calm, balanced, aligned. You feel whole. This deep breathing technique connects you with the truth of who you are. It brings you back to a place of strength and confidence. You'll notice that the thoughts are still running in your mind, but it's as if you've stepped back from your thoughts and they're just coming in, moving through and moving on by, and you're less affected by them. The same with the worries and everything that was going on in your life. You've stepped back, less affected. Now I'm going to invite you to come back into the room, slowly opening your eyes into the world of the senses. But I want you to keep that deep inner connection. And you'll find that you feel different. You feel calm, confident, empowered. All those things that were overwhelming you, that were stressing you, you were feeling the symptoms of anxiety, tightness in your chest, shallow breathing, tension through here, a fluttering in your heart, maybe upset tummy, all those feelings of stress in your physical body, they've gone. You're feeling calm and centered. So this breathing technique, by recognizing those physical symptoms of stress and that in your mind you're becoming overwhelmed, as soon as you notice, this means you've lost that connection. You've lost that connection to the deep essence inside of you. And you've also lost the connection to the intuitive part of you that has all the answers to all the questions, to all the problems. And so when you come back into the room, you're still connected. You will find that you can still deal with things that you need to in your life, but you'll be much more efficient. You'll be strong and clear boundaries, effective communication. And the other benefit, probably the best benefit, is you can carry on doing what you need to do in your life without the negative health effects of constantly feeling overwhelmed and stressed and tense. So what we do is we practice this technique, this breathing technique, in the posture of Tadasana, where we're beautifully aligned, until we get good at it in a nice, calm environment. And we'll get to the stage where eventually we can change our state of mind and our state of being within a few breaths. And then we're ready to take it out into the busy world, into our stressful lives. So that any time we notice that we're becoming overwhelmed, that we've lost our connection, within a few breaths, we're back again. Clear, calm, happy. So I wish you well with your practice. Namaste.